Hello and welcome to the Oracle Enterprise Manager Jira Service Management Ticketing Connector Installation and Configuration Guide. Okay, from here you can see I've already logged into Oracle Enterprise Manager. I'm going to navigate to Setup, Extensibility, Self-Update. In the Self-Update menu, I'm going to click on Management Connector. And here we can see the Jira Service Management REST Ticketing Connector has been downloaded. We're going to click Apply and OK. And we can see a job has been submitted to apply the update to Enterprise Manager. Once we clicked OK, it looks like the job's already finished and we can see that the management connector has been applied. From here, we're going to go to Setup, Extensibility, Management Connectors. We're going to create a connector. So we're going to choose our Jira Service Management REST Ticketing Connector type and click Go. This allows us to give it a name. In this case, I'll use Jira Demo and an optional description. We'll click OK. Now we'll see our first instance of the Jira Service Management REST Ticketing Connector has been created. To configure it, we're going to select it and click Configure. From here, we can see a number of connection settings that need to be filled in so that we can connect Oracle Enterprise Manager to Jira. The first ones are going to be our web service endpoints. Here we can see the endpoints that we use to create tickets, get tickets, and update tickets. In each of these, we're going to have to fill in our subdomain of our Jira instance. To get that, let's navigate over to Jira. As you can see, I've already logged into my Jira instance. And up here in the URL, we're just going to grab our subdomain. And we're going to replace it in each of these lines. Down here in the web console settings, we also need to enter our Jira subdomain. So I'm going to click Enable Web Console Features and enter the subdomain here. The web console setting allows us to create a direct URL from Oracle Enterprise Manager to Jira. If you don't want that feature, feel free to skip this step. Next up is our API token. To grab this, we're going to head back to Jira. We're going to go to our account and our account settings. We're going to navigate to Security and create and manage our API tokens. You can see I've already created a token a while ago, but for this demo, let's create a new API token. We'll call this one our Jira Demo token. It will give you a token that you can copy, and if you need to save it, make sure to copy it and put it somewhere safe. Once you click Close, you won't be able to get it from Jira again. Now we also need to base64 encode this token. So to do that, let's navigate back to our terminal. In Linux, we are going to enter the following command. To base64 encode, we want to use the email, colon, and then that API string we just got. Then I'm going to pipe it and enter base64 for our base64 encoding. This will give us our token that we want to use in Enterprise Manager. If you're not using Linux or you want some help on how to base64 encode your token, take a look at our documentation. The final two settings are our project key and our ticket key. To get those from Jira, we're going to navigate back. We'll go back to our project. And we're going to go to our project settings. In our project settings, we'll have the key, and that's what we'll enter in as our project key. Now for our ticket key, we need to go back to our project and look at the list of tickets. Here you can see we have a number of different tickets with different numbers that we can use for our ticket key. This ticket key is used to make a test connection to verify that we can communicate between Oracle and Jira. If you don't have a ticket, feel free to create a new one just to test out the test connection. However, I see that we have a number of them here, so I'm going to use ITSMP-8. If you're using a proxy, you can click proxy settings, enter your host, username, port, and password. But for this demo, we're not going to do that. Now click OK. And great, we can see our test connection has succeeded and our configuration was saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching.